Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 5 of the Vietnam trip and we are here at Ho Chi Minh City. तो हमारी अभी next location destination location Da Nang थी. So we took a flight from Vedjet Air की and yeah, our flight was at 9:30. तो at the very last moment they changed our gate. So हमने जो online में सुना है कि देर इज़ सम अदर इश्यूज़ डिले होता है, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है इनका फ़्लाइट का, लाइक द कस्टमर कंप्लेन. सो वी डिड फेस दैट एज वेल. देन येस एवरीवन अलॉन्ग विद एवरीवन हमने भी फ़्लाइट बोर्ड कर ली थी हमारी. Yep. So हम जाके फ़्लाइट में बैठ गए एंड दिस वाज लिटिल स्नीक पीक from the window and seats were like okay, not that spacious, decent था. And around 12 o'clock we landed at the Danang airport and हमारे होटल की check in was at 2 p.m. so वहाँ के almost सारे hotels के check in are at 2 p.m. तो हमने हमारा लगेज हमारे स्टे के पास रख के we went to look for a place to eat. We were searching for a restaurant. So yeah, if you can see this is a tail of the Dragon Bridge. तो हम almost tail of the Dragon Bridge के वहाँ पे रह रहे थे. It was a very nice and very beautiful stay. I'll show that later on. तो या ये हम और रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढने के लिए खाने के लिए वी वर जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर प्लेस. मैकडी में हमने चेक किया. वी सॉ दैट लाइक फ्राइज़ के अलावा हम कुछ खा नहीं पाते. सो या हमारी सर्च we were looking for the place and then finally we did, जो almost exactly opposite side में थी हमारे stay की. So this is our room, a little tour of the room. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी लाइक डिसेंट. एक वन रूम लाइक 1 hour के जैसा आप बोल सकते हो. सो इट वॉज़ वेरी नाइस, डिसेंट था. दिस वॉज आर देर वॉज अ प्रोजेक्ट एज वेल. देर वॉज बेड एंड एक साइड में किचन जैसा छोटा सा देर वॉज. दिस वॉज लाइक वेरी डिसेंट एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल Airbnb. We loved the stay and then after that we got ready, we changed, we freshened up and we took a cab and then we went to Hoi An. That is the oldest city and also called as Lantern City because of yeah, you'll see it further in the video. Almost around by 4 o'clock we reached this location and yeah, we started walking towards like inside the city of Hoi An and towards a lantern जहाँ पे वगैरह river side जहाँ पे लगाते हैं बोटिंग वगैरह. सो या यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट साइड्स पे काफ़ी सारे शॉप्स थे. तो हम वो देखते देखते ना, इवन द रोड वॉज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. लाइक साइड बाय आपको काफ़ी सारे शॉप्स मिलेंगे एंड द प्लेस वॉज बेसिकली वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टू लुक. एंड या ये ऑलमोस्ट एंट्री थी फॉर दिस लेक, ब्यूटीफुल लेक एंड द बोटिंग एरिया. So one side में is like the old city and other side is basically all pub. If you can see the other side, all that pub houses and on the place restaurants, खाने की जगहें वगैरह थी. So जिस तरफ से हम आए थे वहाँ पे like shopping for clothes, bags and accessories and everything. But यहाँ पे other side पे it was only for the food. So यहाँ almost शाम हो गई थी and we were seeing this person like carving a wood design. He was also selling lot of pieces already. वो भी बने हुए थे. एंड देन ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्राउड भी होता है एंड द प्लेस लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल इन द इवनिंग. काफ़ी सुंदर भी लग रहा था एंड वी वर जस्ट enjoying and soaking in the vibe there and doing nothing. We were just walking and there's nothing much to do. Like अगर आपको बोटिंग करनी है तो आप वो कर सकते हैं. You can वहाँ पे एक like chair and table लगा के there will be person on both the sides, like there will be lot. तो you can do the boating also. काफ़ी सुंदर रहता है. It will be for 20 minutes. So we also did the same. हमने ये you can say lighting whatever जो भी था we also did and we dropped it in, not dropped it but left it in the water. You can ask for a wish or whatever you want to, or just light it and drop it. Yeah, this was little me being so dramatic and naughty sort of. तो करके मैंने भी छोड़ दिया and yeah, it was nice. It was surreal feeling, very peaceful and calm and enjoying the movement at that point. And yeah, that's me saying bye bye to the light that I did light up. And then on the way back these यहाँ पे they were just playing the instruments, so we just stood by to see. So we did little shopping and had coffee, and then we took a cab and we went back to the Nang where we were staying. So गलती से हमारे कैब वाले ने हमें फेस ऑफ द ड्रैगन साइड पे हमको उतार दिया, तो which was the wrong side. So we walked all the way to from the face to the tail of the dragon bridge, and then just enjoying the route and the view, and हम आराम से चल के then we went back to the room. So yeah, that was the end of the day 5 in Dana.